Thursday, April 15th, 2021, special episode today. We're going to take a look back at the first half of a video I did titled The Process. It's from 2018, then fast forward to September 2020. Someone online has some questions. Let's help them out. Hang tight. This is where it all began, in my backyard, August 2018. I didn't like how it looked. Weeds were everywhere. I wouldn't recommend seeding during the summer. It's hot, muggy, and your seeds might dry out. I got lucky though. I only had a spade shovel when I started and used my hands to pull up weeds. I loosened up the dirt as best I could. I didn't even have a tiller or any special equipment. After spreading the seeds by hand, I used a cheap rake to integrate the seeds with the existing dirt. I didn't even think to use peat moss back then. I watered twice a day for 2 weeks, once in the late afternoon, then again at night. During the third week, I only watered once a day. It was a lot of work, but I got it done in the end. Eventually, I got a lawnmower. Nothing spectacular, but it got the job done. I really liked it, but I realized soon that I was going to need something that had a bag to it. So that's the story. Let's fast forward to September 2020. Monday, September 7th, 2020. Happy Labor Day. Cut it real low. Next out edge. See, what I'm doing here is just raking up the bad stuff, dead grass. And see, this will keep your grass from growing. Before you put dirt down and seeds and peat moss, you have to cut the grass as low as you can, rake it, blow the existing grass off the sidewalks and stuff like that, and then you can proceed with putting dirt and seeds and peat moss down. Alright, put some dirt down. I didn't even want a 1/2 inch just to fill it in a little bit, so lay the seeds. There'll be something for the seeds to connect to. So I'll be doing this side. Same concept. These are the last 3 bags. I'm just spreading them as best as I can. I estimated 20, only about 12. I only needed about a 1/2 inch to fill in some spots. So there's my neighbor. It's coming out pretty good. All right, so I'm pretty much done with the dirt. Did both sides, used about 12 bags total. All right, so here we go. I'll do some of it by hand, and I'm going to use the hand spray. All right, put the seeds down, mixed them in real well. So I'm on to the, that was the second phase. I'm on to the third phase. I did the first, second, and third phase there. So now the third phase will be putting the peat moss down in this area.
It looks nice. Yeah, this looks nice. It looks nice.
Alright, so we got the starter fertilizer, everybody. So I'm gonna throw this down. Put the starter fertilizer down. Now it's time to put the water in. So it's the most important part. Keep the seeds moist 2 weeks, twice a day. I hope this helped. You know the motto: take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.